Okay, this is the other part of the project here in Clarence. So we've got 3 flat roof sections, and this one seems to be doing the best. This fascia board's in good shape. Again, we're gonna use the bigger gutters. This here, for some reason, they got this spout dropped here and then delivering here. We do have the luxury of, especially if we go to 6 inch, to just bring the downspout, possibly on that side wall. But we gotta check to see if that spotlight's working. There is a lot of lightning rod wire going through, so that might be a bit of an obstacle that the guys are gonna have to deal with on the tear off. Okay, we've got some shrubs here. It's gonna get some foot traffic. We can't help it, so we got a lot of setting up to do. Most of this we'll be able to get off a ladder. Looks like the owner does have a little lift here. I don't know, we're gonna need it on the back of that barn and on the corner of that building. But on this here, this can be done mostly with the ladders. So it's gonna be, you know, they got these trees to deal with, which are clogging these up. Again, enlarging these gutters and the downspouts is gonna give them close to about 30 to 40% more volume of water that they're gonna be able to handle, or that, you know, the system can handle. Okay, so we got these off. Let's go around to the front. There's a flat roof on the front. We're gonna, on this here, I'm gonna plan on replacing the fascia board from this miter around to that end cap over there on the lower. I think this flat roof's leaking, so they're gonna wanna get that taken care of. So I'm gonna have the option for the fascia board. No matter what, any new fascia, I wanna wrap it. I don't wanna bother with paint. And then we're gonna do the upper gutter here. You can see they got a gutter garden growing on the front here, and we're gonna have to deal with some of this wire. But the helmet system is definitely a necessity in this. We have to do a fascia mount on the flat roof, and then we do a roof mount on the uppers. This one too, is this flat roof here is showing some signs of issues, mainly on the side gutter. The fascia boards, water's been getting in behind the soffits and everything. So I'll option the trim, the overhang trim also on these, so I'll segregate as much as possible. This downspout will probably follow the same path, run this downspout over and here. You know what, we're gonna keep that on the back wall like they have it. I understand why they did that now. Kind of gave it more of a middle relief. So, but you can see where water's been getting behind these gutters for a while. You can see the blackness behind the gutters. So that's a sign all these spikes are pulling loose. So hopefully the fascia board isn't too bad, but I'm gonna plan on a certain amount of fascia being replaced. And they gotta have this roof edge dealt with. So that's what we're gonna do on this building here. So we got the rear apartment and we got the front main. We'll go over to the barn.